One of my videos recently started to get so many views that I was asking myself, why is that happening? I will link this video over here so you can check it out after you watch this video till the end, because in this video I will reveal the secrets why it happened. Before we dive into the topic, consider subscribing to this channel. Here I talk about business and self-development. I also wrote a book on personal development. Here I talk more about it, check it out. Before I go to the reason why this video became so popular, I would like to talk to you about the basics of being popular on YouTube. And that is finding the right niche, and sticking to it. It's like the foundation of a house. People should know what they get from your channel. So if you don't have any topic for your channel, start thinking about one. For example, my channel is for people who are independent, so they want to have their own business and they want to have a meaningful life. So they are also interested in personal development. And this is not such a big niche. I could pick up a bigger niche, but those are people I like and those are people I want to give some value. I like to hang out with this kind of people, and this is the reason I started this channel, because I want to give value to those people. And if you're not sure which topic you want to choose, you can do the following. Search channels that you are interested in, about topics you want to learn about. And look at the topics they talk about, look at the titles of the videos, and then think about your hobbies, your talents, your life experience. Then think about things you want to learn, and you write this all down. When you write it all down, look at this list, and then decide on 5 main topics for your channel, because those are things you have experience in and you are interested in. From them, you can choose the topics of your channel, 5 topics. And then you make like 3 videos on each topic. While you will make those videos, you will feel which is yours, which brings you more joy, which is more fun for you, which you enjoy more. And this way it will be easy to figure it out, because when you just have an idea, but when you didn't put it into practice yet, then it's only an idea, and YouTube is a lot of hard work. This way you can choose your topic, and then this will be actually the main key to your success. Another important issue not to forget is that YouTube is a huge search engine. So you need to make sure that you are doing content that people are searching for. That's why your title, your description should be exactly what people are looking for. And to find it out, you can use such a tool as TubeBuddy. It's a very efficient tool. I will put my affiliate link in the description below. You can check it out if you'd like. And one of the things I really like about TubeBuddy is that they give you the keyword research, which you can not get anywhere else. They tell you exactly if this title of the video will be good, or not. And they also have some other tools you can use to make your videos efficiently, to make your channel more successful. But also, it's not like a very, very secret, It's just one of the tools that many YouTubers use to grow faster and to be more successful. Let's come back to that video of mine, which I mentioned at the beginning, which became so popular. And from my point of view, it became popular for 2 reasons. First, it was about traveling. It was a video about me and my mom traveling in my hometown. And it's located on the Pacific coast with beautiful scenery. And on this channel, I mostly talk about business and personal development, but I think that traveling is a part of personal development. I talk more about it in my book. I decided to make such a video and place it on this channel, and it's also nice for those subscribers who already know me for a while and they might want to know more about my personality, my family, my hometown and so on. So I placed it, and because the topic of this video is on traveling, and traveling is a much bigger niche than what I'm doing here. It's much bigger than any kind of business or something, because almost everybody is interested in watching something about traveling. So traveling is such a huge niche, and that's why this is a very good example that making a video in the traveling niche, suddenly it became so popular. And there was another reason, is that I promoted this video on my Instagram account. In the description below you can find my Instagram account, and I have started 2 accounts in the middle of 2019 One is on like business and marketing, and the second one on traveling. And this traveling account started to grow really fast. And the reason is also because traveling is such a big niche, almost everybody is interested in. There are so many people who are searching different places to see online every day. So this Instagram account became very popular, and on top, I promoted this YouTube video via that account. So not only that the title of the YouTube video was already appealing to many people on traveling, yeah? It was also additionally promoted on another channel. So this was the simple trick how I got so many views on that video. Make sure you will check it out and compare it maybe to other videos of mine on this channel, so you will see how huge is the difference in the number of views. I hope this video was useful for you, and many people are looking for some secret, magical trick or hack on how to grow on YouTube, but basically it's a lot of hard work and also some smart work, meaning that you know your niche, you use some tools like TubeBuddy, and you promote your videos on other channels. Simple tricks like that can give you some good results. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel not to miss valuable information. If you like the video, give this video a like. It will help me promote my channel on YouTube. And also leave me a comment if you saw that other video of mine on traveling and if you liked it or not. And watch some other videos of mine about how to be successful on YouTube, somewhere around here. And I will see you next Wednesday.